Hi everyone, today in this video we will see why the design ideas is missing or not working in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you can see, I have the design ideas in my Microsoft PowerPoint. So to use this feature of design ideas, you have to be on Microsoft 365, and even if you are on Microsoft 365 and the design ideas is not working, then simply go to options. Then under general tab you will get the PowerPoint designer option. From here, make sure the automatically show me design ideas box is checkmarked. Once you do that, you will see the design ideas easily. Earlier this feature was there in Microsoft Office 2016 and 2019, but Microsoft has pulled down this feature. Now the designer ideas is exclusively available for Microsoft 365 only. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if you found the content helpful, and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.